Does every industrial property boast with the necessary three-phase power? Sturdy power infrastructure is essential, especially for heavy machinery. Imagine operational disruptions, compromised performance, and potential safety risks without the correct power setup for your machinery. Navigating this challenge requires a solution that aligns with your needs. All the industrial spaces at Commercial Property Finder are tailored for efficient operations and equipped with three-phase power. This symmetrical power distribution across 3 wires empowers your machinery with enhanced efficiency, minimized energy wastage, and heightened productivity. If you're seeking to unleash the true potential of your machinery, the industrial spaces with three-phase power are your answer. The versatility of available industrial complexes caters to businesses of all sizes and industries. Empower your machinery, amplify your productivity, and triumph in a competitive landscape. Your success story begins with Commercial Property Finder,